Ready to start your paddleboarding journey, but not sure which board to choose? In this video, we'll explore the best paddleboard for beginners that offers great balance, easy control, and a smooth ride. Perfect for your first adventure on the water. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. Niphean Inflatable 10'6" Paddleboard. The Niphean Inflatable 10'6" paddleboard is designed for paddlers who want stability, durability, and convenience in one complete package. Measuring 10'6" by 33 by 6 and weighing only 19 pounds, this board strikes a great balance between portability and strength while supporting up to 450 pounds. The wide deck design provides excellent balance, making it suitable for beginners while still offering the performance experienced paddlers expect. Built from premium materials, the board feels solid and dependable on the water, and the attention to detail in its construction helps ensure long-term reliability. The anti-slip EVA deck pad improves grip and comfort, allowing riders to paddle confidently even in wet conditions. Whether you are exploring a calm lake, cruising along a river, or enjoying small ocean waves, the board remains stable and responsive. Niphean also includes a generous accessory kit with everything needed to start paddling right away, including an adjustable paddle, detachable fins, safety leash, pump, backpack, waterproof phone bag, and repair kit. The 11 D-rings add versatility for attaching gear, coolers, or even a kayak seat. When finished, the board easily deflates and rolls up for compact storage and travel. Backed by a strong warranty and customer support, the Niphean paddleboard delivers dependable performance for recreation, fitness, or adventure on the water. Number 2. ROIIKE 10'6" SUP Paddleboard. The ROIIKE 10'6" SUP paddleboard has earned a strong reputation among recreational paddlers for its durability, stability, and beginner-friendly design. Built using high-grade materials that are claimed to be significantly stronger than many competing boards, it provides a solid and dependable feel on the water. With a weight capacity of up to 350 pounds, the board comfortably supports most riders while maintaining steady balance and smooth paddling performance. One of the most appealing aspects of this paddleboard is its extra-wide deck, which increases stability and helps riders feel more confident when standing, turning, or adjusting their stance. This design makes it an excellent choice for beginners learning the basics, yet it remains versatile enough for more experienced users who want a reliable all-around board. The board is suitable for a variety of water activities, including relaxed cruising, light touring, and casual paddling on lakes, rivers, or calm coastal areas. ROIIKE also provides a full accessory package, ensuring users have the essential gear needed to begin paddling immediately. The company's strong focus on customer service and support adds additional value, especially for first-time buyers entering the paddleboarding world. Overall, the ROIIKE 10'6" SUP paddleboard combines strength, stability, and convenience, making it a dependable option for anyone looking to enjoy stand-up paddleboarding with confidence and ease. Number 3. FBSPORT 11-foot Paddleboard. The FBSPORT 11-foot paddleboard is a versatile inflatable option designed to provide both stability and durability for paddlers of all experience levels. With a length of 11 feet and a 33-inch wide deck, the board offers a spacious platform that helps riders maintain balance while standing or maneuvering through the water. This wide design is especially helpful for beginners who are still developing their balance, while the longer length improves glide and overall paddling efficiency. Constructed with military-grade materials, the board delivers impressive durability while remaining lightweight enough for convenient transportation. The brushed thickening structure enhances rigidity when fully inflated, giving the board a firm feel similar to a hard paddleboard. Its non-slip, soft deck pad adds comfort and safety, reducing the chances of slipping during use. The triple fin setup improves tracking and maneuverability, making it easier to steer and control, whether paddling on lakes, rivers, or mild ocean waves. One large removable fin allows for easy packing and customization, while the two fixed fins enhance stability during movement. The board also inflates and deflates rightly, allowing users to pack it into the included carrying bag for simple storage and travel. Ideal for activities like cruising, yoga, fishing, or sightseeing, the FBSPORT 11-foot paddleboard offers a dependable and adaptable paddling experience. Number 4. HUIIKE Inflatable Paddleboard. The HUIIKE Inflatable Paddleboard stands out for its versatility and thoughtfully designed accessory package, making it a practical choice for outdoor enthusiasts who want more than just a standard paddleboard. Built with military-grade PVC and reinforced double sidewalls, the board is designed to resist wear while maintaining strong air retention during extended use. Its wide structure enhances stability, helping riders maintain balance whether they are paddling calmly across a lake or exploring gentle river currents. The EVA deck layer provides a comfortable and slip-resistant surface, which improves safety and confidence for beginners, while also remaining comfortable during longer paddling sessions. What makes the sport particularly appealing is its 2-in-1 functionality. With the included kayak seat and footrest, users can quickly convert the paddleboard into a completely different paddling experience without needing extra equipment. The full accessory package adds significant convenience, including a pump, paddle, backpack, fins, leash, repair kit, dry bag, and phone holder. This allows users to head straight to the water without needing to purchase additional gear. Despite its strong construction, the board remains portable and easy to transport once deflated. For anyone looking for a flexible paddleboard that supports both stand-up paddling and kayaking, the HUIIKE model provides a reliable and enjoyable solution.
Number 5. GONFLABLE 10-foot 4-up paddleboard. The GONFLABLE 10-foot 4-up paddleboard is a compact yet capable inflatable board designed to provide a balanced experience for beginners and recreational paddlers. Measuring 124 inches in length and 30.7 inches in width, the board offers a stable platform that helps riders quickly learn how to stand, paddle, and maintain balance on the water. Built using heat-welded PVC technology combined with a durable 2-layered drop-stitch fabric, the board is designed to withstand pressure while maintaining its shape during use. The non-slip deck pad improves safety and comfort, allowing users to paddle confidently even when the surface becomes wet. With a load capacity of up to 330 pounds, the board can accommodate most paddlers along with small gear or accessories. The included accessory kit provides everything needed for a day on the water, including an adjustable paddle, air pump with PSI gauge, safety leash, backpack, repair kit, and removable fin. Inflation and deflation are quick and straightforward, allowing the board to fold down into a compact size for easy storage and travel. Whether used for casual paddling, yoga, fishing, or exploring scenic waterways, the GONFLABLE paddleboard offers a dependable and enjoyable paddling experience. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.